Hi, my name is Peyton, and I'm a cell culture specialist at Factor 5. Stem cells are amazing, and these are naturally occurring category of cells that help to heal, regenerate, and renew different tissues in your body. When your skin is damaged or injured, these adipose-derived stem cells, or ADSCs, migrate to sites of injury and begin communicating with the local cells to get them to begin the repair process. They do this by sending powerful proteins that talk to the cells and let them know what needs to be done to heal the damage in the area. This includes things like modulating inflammation, collagen production, elastin formation, blood supply, and so much more. As the local cells read these protein signals, they engage in the various activities that make up the healing process. The stem cell's response to damage is really important to understand because as we age, our skin becomes essentially damaged or injured by time. We start experiencing problems with inflammation, low collagen and elastin production, increased free radical activity, and oxidation, and various texture and coloration issues. Now the result is aging skin with visible symptoms of aging, and that's where our stem cells come back into the picture.